Let's look at this question now. What are the last two digits of x if x is equal to 11 raised to the power 1 plus 11 square plus 11 cube and so on till 11 raised to the power 55? Okay, so we have to find the last two digits. So for we need to add the last two digits of these numbers, but there has to be some pattern because question never ask or never expect us to add all those values till 11 raised to the power 55. So there has to be some pattern. Okay, let's find that pattern. So 11 raised to the power 1, what would be the last two digits? What would be the last two digits? It would be 11. When you square it, what would be the last two digit? 121. So 21 is the last two digit. When you have 11 cube, 31 would be the last two digit. 11 raised to the power 4, 4 1. Oh, so this is also a pattern. Raised to the power 5, it is 5 1. Raised to the power 6, it is 6 1. Raised to the power 7, it would be 7 1. Raised to the power 8, it would be 8 1. Raised to the power 9, it would be 9 1. And 11 raised to the power 10, it would be 0 1. And again it repeats, right? 11 raised to the power 11 would give last two digits as 11 and then 21, then 31, 41, 51 and so on, right? So this would be the set of last two digit, right? For the set of first 10 powers of 10, right? So you can see till 10 raised to the power 50, we can extract five such sets, right? From 1 to 10, then from 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. These are five sets of such powers, right? So the sum of last two digits for these sets, would be 11 plus 21 plus 31 plus 41 plus 51 plus 61 plus 71 plus 81 plus 91 plus 01 into 5 times, right? Into 5 times, because there are 5 sets. Now I am left with 11 raised to the power 51. So last digit would be 11, 52, 21, 53, 31, 54, 41, 55, 51. So this is the sum of last two digits. Okay, let's add them. So I can write them as 10 plus 1, 20 plus 1, 30 plus 1, 40 plus 1, 50 plus 1, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100 plus 1 or 90 plus 1. This is only plus 1. So how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you are left with 10 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 up till 90, right? So up till 90, what this sum would be? This would be the sum. How much would be the sum? This AP की तरह इसको add कर सकते हो either, or you can take 10 common and it would be the sum of first 9 natural numbers, right? And that would be 9, 10 by 2, that is 45. So this sum would be 450. So that is 450 into 5, right? Plus I need to add this sum also. So it would be 1, 1, 3, 4, and 5. 5 and 4, 9 and 3, 12 and 2, 14 and 1, 15. Yes, 155. So it would be 460 into 5 plus 155. Right. So it is 0, 0, 3, and 23. So the last two digits would be 2, 3. If I add this, I get 2, 4, 5, 5. Right. So last two digits for this sum would be 55, or the correct answer has to be option A.